I just wanted to give it to him.
Okay. No, because I just want a quick touch.
I wanted to give it to him because I need to go to the kitchen to make food and I don't want him following me. Hi Nosipo, do you remember many years ago we went walking in Krugersdorp or somewhere, I don't know, and we went to this perfume sale place and I bought this leather bag. Here's the so-called leather bag. It's not leather at all. I remember how impressed I was with the insides. It was so silky. Now look at this. Still nice inside. Don't know what David joins with. But look at the leather. The so-called leather. So we were scammed. We thought we were buying a special case and a special sale. Can't we buy in plastic? So now I have to throw away this thing. It's that time when we were walking and we had to go on the highway because we didn't know where we were going, and the road suddenly ended. Before you bought a house close there.